Welcome to International Securities Exchange's podcast series. Facilitated by renowned educators, ISE podcasts are intended to teach beginning as well as seasoned investors the ins and outs of trading. To find an updated list of podcasts, please visit www.ise.com/podcasts. Please be sure to listen to our important message following this episode regarding the risks of investing in exchange-traded options.
We can see another evening star just there. Okay. So you have the confirmation of the evening star as for the first one at the closing price of the third day. Just there. So you enter a short position at the closing price of the third day. So you can see that the down move that was interesting. What we can see on this chart again, we have a bearish engulfing just there. It's not really perfect, but it's a bearish engulfing. The open price just there is just above the closing price of the first one, and the closing price of these candlesticks was well below the opening price of the first one. So we have a bearish engulfing, and you can see that the down move was interesting also. We have a second bearish engulfing just there, but was not really effective on this one because we have just 1 day on the downside. I think that's it for this chart. On the second one, what we can see, yes, we have a doji on this one. So you can see that you have the confirmation of the doji because the opening price, the day after the doji, the opening price is just above the closing price of the doji. So you have the confirmation that the doji is validated. So you can enter a long position just there. You have another one just there because the opening price was just below the closing price. You have a small down move. Yes, you have a beautiful bullish engulfing just there. And you can see that that move was really interesting. So that's it for the Japanese candlesticks. Just before to show you my forecast for the Forex market, I want to conclude on Japanese candlestick charting. So to summarize, Japanese candlestick charting is an interesting tool for making market timing decisions, as Japanese candlesticks study the psychology of market participants, and used in conjunction with other technical indicators. I think Japanese candlestick will be effective to offer you a good trading signal. So, as I said earlier, as the Japanese candlestick topic is a wide topic, and I'm not a specialist because at Trading Central we use a lot of technical tools and we don't focus on only Japanese candlesticks. I thought that to focus on key Japanese candlestick pattern that I prefer. I thought that was interesting, but I won't develop more on this topic, and I share my desktop to see what's the next currency move on ISE pairs. I share my desktop and go to my trading platform. I kept my last forecast that I made 2 months ago. I will start with EUI, US dollar against the euro. So last time, what I said last time, I said I was bullish after a slight consolidation. So on this pair, it works well. But now, what we have to do after this strong bullish run? As I said in January, I think, yes, or in March, I said that the empty outlook, medium-term outlook on US dollar had turned bullish, and I think it's confirmed now, and I think that the US dollar will appreciate, will go higher again against the euro. But now, the slope of the trend, from my view, is too important. So now we need a consolidation before ahead of a new ahead of further recovery. So now I expect again a consolidation. Ahead of a new up move. So, where can we set our stop loss, our pivot point, in case of a strong pullback? I prefer to set my pivot point a bit far away from the last price. So we have interesting area around 76. So my pivot point will be at 76 in case of a strong pullback. And next target now we have to take a weekly chart because target on the upside are higher. So the next area, as you can see, will be around 84. And 85.50. Coming back with daily chart. So this is my forecast for EUI. Alternative target will be around 23. Maybe we have to use Fibonacci retracement because the slope of the trend is very, very important. That's why, in fact, we need a slight consolidation. So 50% retracement will be around 74, 25, and I prefer to keep 73 because it's a clear horizontal support. So this is my forecast for EUI. After a slight consolidation, a new up leg towards 84 or 85.50 below 66. Further consolidation towards 74 or 73, but the empty outlook on the medium-term outlook on the EUI is still bullish, and I expect further upside all the year long.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. To find more podcasts on options, stocks, alternative markets, and market data, please visit www.ise.com/podcasts.